Hi everyone, this is Natasha Advani, an internationally certified life coach, trainer, and a wellness coach. And here today I'm at the lovely farms. I'm feeling so nice in the mud, and it's such a good feeling. I think living in metro cities or wherever we are, sometimes just seeing nature gives me so much, feel so de-stressed just looking at the trees and walking in the mud. But here I am at the lovely farms and I'm sowing the seeds, and it's like I don't remember ever doing this, because in normally where I stay in metro cities this doesn't really happen, or it must be, but we don't have that kind of time and to see what is actually happening in nature. And since I love nature, I have these lovely sark seeds where I'll be sowing it, and it's fresh and organic. Normally, nowadays, because of everywhere the vegetables are growing, it's got so many pesticides, so many chemicals that we frankly don't know what we are putting in our stomach. So it's very important to have fresh organic stuff, and I'm sure there also we get organic stuff, but we have to be careful of our health, because I always believe health is wealth. And of course, eating and mind, our mind is also plays an equivalent role for our health purpose. And the way we eat also is very important. Suppose we are just eating angrily or just frustrated or eating in a hurry, it's not going to work. So, and they've said, means it has been said that our body is made up of five elements: earth, water, air, fire. So when we walk on earth, the mud, they say anxiety, depression, and feeling low and sad, it really helps in that. So that's what, and we have lost being connected to earth. So we have to be grounded sometimes, if not every day, but at least maybe once or twice a week you can go to the park or just roam around. And awesome if you have a garden near the house. So it's very important to ground yourself, because wearing shoes and you know slippers, it's we are not connecting to earth, mother earth. So it's very important. So these were my lovely tips, and here are these seeds. I'm just going to sit and I'm going to plant these seeds. I'm just making a hole here, and I'm just planting two seeds, and I'm just covering it, and I'm sure it will sprout. And it's very very important. Another important tip, we as human beings are a lot of negativity in the mind. So it's very important to relax, because when we relax we let go of the negativity and mind chatter which is happening. And there's a saying like, we plant a Karela seed, example, but we expect a mango tree to come, and we plant a Karela seed. So that's what I tell people who want to have happy relationships or want to be successful. You you have to plant the right seed. And how does that happen as a child? You have to be positive, happy, nice relationships, happy environment, because if our base is not strong, then it's no use when we grow up as human beings or anything if we are not going to be as strong, because our base has to be very strong. In my workshops, when I tell people to draw a tree, they just draw a tree like that. But I'm saying, where are the roots? You have to draw the roots. If the roots are not strong, how is the tree going to come up, flourishing and nice? So this was my message to you all. And please follow these tips, and I would love to hear from you what showed up. And forward this video to your family and friends, and do subscribe for more tips for my channel. Thank you.